Okay, so look, technically this is how I install ductwork. Obviously, the high end here. You get it in there, you tap it in. If in case you realize you're off a little bit, you have to fix it while you're here, not while you tap the whole thing. Mira, don, pégale aquí un S-clip so you protect the edge. Pégale aquí en esta esquina. Yeah. And then just keep an eye on this right here. A little more. More. A little more. Right there, that's it. So you see how it's perfectly on there? Here, let me see if I can get you guys in there. Oh, that's it. Okay, well, it's not zooming in. Oh, there you go. Right, so that's where you want these two to line up. Okay, once it's lined up, you don't even have to grab this anymore. You don't even have to grab this anymore. As long as you hit it right here, follow the seam, it should go. Look. When you get done, you can stay right here, and then from here you flip it over. You don't even have to move. Oh, quitas a clip. Same thing. Obviously, you want to get it right on the money, right? Sometimes it moves up. You see that? And then look. And then technically, you can stand it up. Check to see that it looks squared. Worst case, it's lopsided a little bit. You could just fix it by going like this, or whatever you got to do to make sure it's square. Hey, 2 screws. Anytime you assemble a duct, you have to put some screws in here on this seam. On this seam, so it doesn't slide. You see that seam right there? Yeah, right there, that seam. So, cause sometimes when you're handling this, if it shifts, you're gonna get out of square. Okay, when you put the screw on these little sleeves right here, try to keep it a foot away from the edge. If possible, even bigger, 16 inches would be ideal. Reason being is because sometimes you have to modify the edge or anything like that, and you don't want your own screw to be in the way. And then technically 2 is enough. You see here it's a little bit out. Oh no, don't. Can you guys see that? It's a little bit out. Why is it out, man? Pégale a little bit. Oh, there we go. That's the life of the new AirPods. Okay. Y cuando pones el tornillo, trata de ponerlo en la orilla, porque hay chance que esa misma orilla lo sacó. Yeah, like right there. Yep, you want to be at the edge. Oh yeah. You see that? That's the edge. Okay. Get the other one.